What is humanistic psychology? Humanistic psychology is a branch of psychology that emphasizes the inherent goodness and potential of individuals and focuses on the study of subjective experiences and personal growth. This field of psychology emerged in the 1950s and 1960s as a reaction to the dominant schools of thought at the time, which focused primarily on behaviorism and psychoanalysis. Humanistic psychology is based on the belief that all human beings have a natural inclination towards growth, self-actualization, and self-improvement. This means that individuals have an inherent drive to achieve their full potential and to become the best version of themselves. This drive is often referred to as the actualizing tendency. Humanistic psychology views individuals as unique and complex beings, with their own subjective experiences and perspectives. This perspective emphasizes the importance of understanding the individual's personal experiences, feelings, and goals, rather than trying to fit them into pre-existing categories or models. One of the central concepts in humanistic psychology is self-actualization. Self-actualization refers to the process of realizing one's full potential and achieving personal growth and fulfillment. This process is seen as a lifelong journey, and it is unique to each individual. Another key concept in humanistic psychology is the importance of human relationships. Humanistic psychologists believe that healthy relationships are essential for personal growth and well-being. They emphasize the importance of empathy, acceptance, and unconditional positive regard in fostering healthy relationships. Humanistic psychology also places a strong emphasis on the role of the therapist in the therapeutic process. Therapists are seen as facilitators of personal growth and development, rather than experts or authorities on the individual's life. The therapist's role is to provide a supportive and accepting environment that allows the individual to explore their inner experiences and to realize their full potential. Humanistic psychology has contributed to a number of therapeutic approaches, including person-centered therapy, Gestalt therapy, and existential therapy. These approaches emphasize the importance of personal growth, self-awareness, and self-acceptance in the therapeutic process. Person-centered therapy, developed by Carl Rogers, is a form of therapy that emphasizes the importance of empathy, unconditional positive regard, and congruence in the therapeutic relationship. The therapist provides a supportive and non-judgmental environment that allows the individual to explore their inner experiences and to work towards self-actualization. Gestalt therapy, developed by Fritz Perls, is a form of therapy that emphasizes the importance of awareness and personal responsibility in the therapeutic process. The therapist helps the individual to become more aware of their thoughts, feelings, and behaviors, and to take responsibility for their own experiences and choices. Existential therapy, developed by Viktor Frankl, is a form of therapy that emphasizes the importance of finding meaning and purpose in life. The therapist helps the individual to explore their own values, beliefs, and goals, and to find meaning in their experiences. In conclusion, humanistic psychology is a branch of psychology that emphasizes the inherent goodness and potential of individuals and focuses on the study of subjective experiences and personal growth. This field of psychology places a strong emphasis on the individual's unique experiences, personal growth, and the importance of healthy relationships. Humanistic psychology has contributed to a number of therapeutic approaches, which emphasize the importance of empathy, awareness, and personal responsibility in the therapeutic process.